Hey, mathematicians, welcome back. We are on lesson 24 today. We're just moving right along. And today we're going to do something exciting. I'm excited. I hope you're excited. I'm excited. So let's see what we're going to do today. Here we go. I can add a pair of 2-digit numbers when the ones digit has sum less than equal or equal to 10. Okay, that's a lot of words that probably don't make sense, right? So basically what it's saying is we're going to add 2-digit numbers, but our ones place isn't going to equal over 10. Easy part. It's okay. So let's get started. We know what we have to do first. An application problem, which means I get to put my detective hat on and we get to be number detectives and we get to be really fun. Okay, here we go. Oh, look at the bottom. Use RDW to solve. Okay, real big in red. That's what we have to do. But first, good number detectives always read through the problem. A dog hides 11 bones behind his doghouse. Later, his owner gives him 5 more bones. How many bones does the dog have now? Okay, we've read through it once. Let's draw out what we know. And I'm going to turn my board here so we have a little bit more room to work with. Move these out of the way. Here we go. All right, let's go back and read the sentences again. A dog hides 11 bones behind his doghouse. Let's draw out 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I'm going to do a tape diagram. Now, is this a part or a whole? This is a part. And these are the ones that he is hiding behind his doghouse. So we're going to put D for doghouse, okay? Now, later, his owner gives him 5 more bones. Is this a part or a whole? It's a part. Okay, so we're going to add 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the 5 more that his owner gave him. So now we have to find the total for the whole. We don't know that yet. So let's look. We have 11 plus 5 equals the mystery number. Now, guys, I know that this is 10, and this is 1 more than 10. And I know that 5 plus 1 more is 6. So 6 and 10 more, or 10 and 6 more, make 16. Okay, so my mystery number is 16. Am I done? I've got to have a statement to answer my question. How many bones does the dog have now? The dog now has 16 bones. Now, let's go back and double check and make sure we did everything. Did we read through the problem? Yeah, because that's what good number detectives do. Did we draw out the parts we know? We knew he had 11 behind his doghouse and the owner gave him 5 more. So we drew that out. Did we write out a problem? We wrote out a number sentence to match our drawing, 11 plus 5, and our total was 16. And then we wrote a statement to answer the question, how many bones does the dog have? The dog now has 16 bones. So did we solve this problem? Yeah, we did. Way to go, detectives. This case is solved. So you can take off your detective hat, you can erase your board, and we can get ready to start our lesson with Miss Duckett. There is no fluency today or sprint, so we're ready to get going. So I'm going to pause to get our video set up and we're going to get going. All right, friends, I'm ready to go. Are you ready to go? I've got my whiteboard ready. I've got my marker ready. I've got something to write with. She's going to ask you to have some 10 sticks. If you don't have them, it's okay. If you do have them, you need 4 of them that have 10 in each. If you don't have these, I want you to draw quick 10s and 1s. Okay, so I'll show it with this today, but I also will show it with quick 10s and 1s since you guys might not have them. Okay, so let's get started. Hey, Ms. Duckett.
It's Miss Duckett, ready to guide you through another math lesson. I'm so excited to be with you all today. Today, we are going to be adding 2-digit numbers. On the screen to the left, you will see the materials that you will need for today's lesson. Go ahead and press pause to gather what you need, and I will be right here waiting when you get back.
Remember, we're going to draw quick tens and ones too, though.
Welcome back. Did you get what you need?
Mm-hmm.
Well, if you're ready, let me hear you say, ooh, yeah, I'm ready.
Ooh, oh, yeah, I'm ready.
Well, what are we waiting for? Let's get started.
Let's do this.
Friends, meet Sasha. Sasha is going to be helping us with our partner work today. Say, hola, Sasha.
Hola, Sasha.
Sasha is going to help us to solve the number sentence. 24 plus 13 equals something.
Okay.
Sasha, can you make 24 using your Linky Cubes?
She got it.
Thank you, Sasha. Mathematician, now it's your turn. Using your Linky Cubes, I want you to represent the number 13. What number are you going to represent?
13. Okay, we know that 13 is 110
Go ahead and
and
do that
3 ones. Okay, 110 and 3 ones. Now I'm going to Sasha's over here. She has 2
Great.
10s
now.
and 4 ones.
I need you to pretend to throw your Linky Cubes at the screen.
Don't
We're
really throw
going to
them.
count to 3.
Pretend.
And when I
Ready?
say 3, you're going to go like this. And then they will appear on our screen. Get ready. 1, 2, 3. Whoa.
Look at that.
Great work,
Magic.
mathematicians. I see 1 10 stick and 3 more. That makes 13. Give yourself a pat on the back. Mathematicians, I'm wondering if there is a way that we can combine our cubes together to figure out our total to see what 24 plus 13 is. What do you think, mathematicians?
Could we maybe combine our 10?
Were you thinking that we can add the 10s and the 10s and the 1s and the 1s? Because that's what I was thinking. Let's try it. Here, I've represented Sasha's cubes of 24 and your cubes of 13. So let's try what we said. Let's put the 10s with the 10s and the 1s with the 1s.
Stick these together.
2 10s plus 1 10 is
3 10s.
yes, 3 10s. 4 1s and 3 1s is,
Well, we know that 4 plus 3 is 7.
you got it, 7 1s. So 3 10s, 7 1s is, whisper it to me, 37. Bada boom, bada baby, got it. That's right, 37. Great work. You all are experts at working with 10s. You know how to add 10s to any number. Even though we already know our answer, let's solve the same problem. This time, adding 13 first to 24. Let's see what happens. So again, mathematicians, here I have 24 and 13 represented in Linky Cubes.
Okay, now I'm going to pause because I told you I was going to do this with quick 10s and 1s too. So up here in my corner, I'm going to do 24. Is that, yeah, we can see that. And then I have 13, which is 1 10 and 3 1s. Okay. All right, here we go.
Mathematicians, can you say 24 the same 10 way?
2 10 4.
That's right. 2, 10, 4. Can you say 13 the same 10 way?
1, 10, 3.
Yep, 10, 3. I'm going to break apart 13 into 10 and 3. I'm going to place the 10 over here by our 2 tens.
So she moved it.
Mathematicians, what's 1 10 more than 2 tens 4?
3 10s.
Let me ask that one more time. Is 1 10 more than 2 10 4?
We know that 1 10 more is 3 10 4. So 34.
Did you say 3 10 4?
10 4.
What's the value of 3 10 4?
34.
Kiss your brain. The value of 3 10 4 is 34. Did we add everything yet, mathematicians? Give me a thumbs up if yes, or a down if no.
We still have to add our 3 1s.
No, we didn't. What do we still need to add, mathematicians?
Those 3 1s. So let's put them.
Yes, we still need to add 3 more. What's 34 and 3 more?
3 10s, 7 1s. 37.
Yes, 34 and 3 more is 37. We got the same answer, mathematicians. Look at that. Let's show our work using our whiteboard. So, we know that we were solving 24 plus 13 equals something. Let's make a number line. What number did we break apart?
We broke apart the 1 10 or 10.
I think
13.
I heard you say 13. How did we break apart 13?
We had 1 10 and we had 3 1s. 1 10
We
and
broke
3
apart
1s.
13 into 10 and 3. What did we add first, mathematicians?
We added our
The
24 with our
or
10.
the ones?
We want to do the 10s.
Did you say tens? Yes, we did. 24 plus 10 is?
34.
Yes, 34. What did we do next?
Then we added our 34 and our 3 more.
We added 3. 34 plus 3 is?
7.
Yes, 37. So as mathematicians, we added tens first, and we wrote 2 addition number sentences to show how we added 10 first, and then what was left. Now, I want you for the 2 number sentences that we used to figure out our answer. Go ahead and do that now.
So you should have these 2. Did I click pause? Oh, no.
Great work, mathematicians. We just used what we know about tens to add tens first. Let's try it again. Now let's try 24 plus 16.
Okay.
As you can see, Sasha already has 24 represented with her linking cubes. So mathematicians, go ahead and take a moment to represent 16 using your linking cubes. Okay, let's do the same thing we did last time. When we get to 3, you're gonna go like this and throw your linking cubes onto the computer.
Don't really throw your
Get
linking
ready.
cubes.
1, 2, 3. Great job, mathematicians.
Here
This
is
time, I see 1 10 stick and 6 more. Well, mathematicians, let's go ahead and solve this together by adding 10 first. So here I have Sasha's cubes and your cubes.
And I'm going to move our cubes because I'm going to draw it out. Okay, so we have Sasha's cubes, which were 2 10s and 4 1s. Then we had our cubes, which was 1 10 and 6 1s. Okay, now let's go ahead and write out our problem. 24 plus 16.
We're going to break apart the number 16. How will we break apart 16?
We're going to break it into 10 and 6.
Yes, we would break apart 16 into 10 and 6. Watch as I move 1 10
So
stick
I'm going to
over
move this
to
10
24.
over here.
What's 24 plus 10?
34.
Yes, 24 plus 10 is 34. What do we still need to add, mathematicians?
We still need to add our 1s. 6 and
Yes.
4.
We still need to add 6 more. What's 34 and 6 more?
4 plus 6 is 10. So that makes another 10. So it's 40.
You got it. 34 and 6 more is 40. Whoa, mathematicians, look at that. We made a new 10. 4 1s plus 6 1s equals 10 1s. Great. Let's show our work on our whiteboards.
Okay,
So we know
just like we did
that
over
we broke
here.
apart 16 into 10 and 6. What did we add first, mathematicians?
We added our 10 to 24.
Yes, we added the 10s first. What would our first addition number sentence be? Go ahead
24
and write it
plus
on your
10
personal
equals, and
whiteboards.
we decided that 24 plus 10 equaled 34. So let's write 34.
Did you write 24 plus 10 equals 34? If not, that's okay. We all make mistakes, and we can always learn from them. If you need to, take a moment now to correct it. So, mathematicians, what did we do next?
We need to add 6 more to 34. So let's write 34.
Yes, we
Plus
added 6 more. Go ahead and record our second person tense.
34 plus 6 equals, we know that 4 and 6 make a 10, so that makes
Did you write
40.
34 plus 6 equals 40?
We did.
Great work, mathematicians. Today, you learned a new strategy. You learned how to add the tens first. I am super proud of you. Go ahead and give yourself a pat on the back. Well, mathematicians, now it's time for the problem set. Your must-do problems are 1A, B, C, D, E, and F, and number 2, letters A and B. Remember to do your best work for 10 minutes.
We're going to do more than 10
Here's a
minutes if
cheer
it takes us.
for all of your hard work. It's called the perfect cheer. It goes like this. Meow, meow, perfect. I'll see you next time.
Bye, Miss
Bye.
Duckett. All right, friends, let's look at our problem set. Oh, we need to shrink it down a little bit. There we go. All right, so she said we're doing number 1. I'm gonna write it up here. Number 1, but we are gonna do A, B, C, D, E, and F. Then we're gonna do number 2, A and B. Okay, you gotta get all those done. That's all right. Now let's look at the instructions for number 1. Solve using number bonds. What am I gonna see on these? Number bonds. Write the two number sentences that show that you added the 10 first. Draw quick 10s and 1s if that helps you. So if you need to draw quick 10s and 1s, draw it out. Draw it out. All right, here we go. So let's look. Number 1 is almost completely done for you. It broke down our 13 into 10 and 3. It added our 14 and 10, and it gave us 24. And then it said 24 plus 3 equals 27. So your answer for A is 27. Now, do you see everything on this? You need to be doing everything that they have. Okay. On number 2, they give you the blanks for it. But look down here. They don't give you all the answers. Okay. So you need to make sure that you're filling in each part. So 15 is going to break down into 10 and 5. So then we're going to add 10. So let's just do this one. Let's do F. This is F. My problem is 15 plus 25. If I need to, I can draw it out. Okay, so let's draw it out. I have 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I have 25. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to break this apart and I'm going to take this 10 and move it over here. So I have 10 and 5. I'm going to add my 10 and my 25 together. 25 plus 10 equals, how many do I have here? 35. I'm not done though, because now I got to take my 35 and I got to add the 5 ones. And I know if I add 5 ones over here, that makes a whole nother 10. And so that's going to make 40. Do you see everything right here? All of this needs to be on your number 5, or I mean number F, letter F, okay? Now, let's look at number 2 because it's a little different. It says solve using number bonds or the arrow way. Part A has been started for you, okay? Let's look at part B because there's nothing on B. This is what it gives you for B. So let's look at that, okay? If you need to draw it out, draw it out. I'm not going to draw it out this time. What am I going to break 14 into? 10 and 4. That makes 14. Then I'm going to add my 10 and 23. And that gives me 33. Then I'm going to add my 33 plus my 4 gives me 37. This is what I want to see. Okay. Have to see this stuff to get credit. Now, if you draw it out, perfect. I don't care. You can draw, okay. Matter of fact, let's draw it out. There's 1 10, 4 1s, 2 10s, 3 10s. If I add this 10 to this, I get 33. If I take these 4 and add them right here, I get 7. So 33 plus 4 equals 37. Hey, if you need to draw it out, do it. It'll help you. Okay, you're doing number 1, and you're going to do A, B, C, D, E, and F. You're going to do number 2, A and B. Guys, I need to see all of this, whoops, all of this on your problem. All of this. Because that's what it's asking you to do. That's what we've been doing today. If you add this with it, perfect. That's fine. Okay. Make sure you're also doing your exit ticket. Turn it into me. If you have any questions, you need extra help or additional support, whatever you need, email me, message me, and I'll see what I can do to help you. Okay. You can always look back in the video if you're confused, or just like I said, email me. All right, friends, I'll see you on our next lesson. Bye.